It keeps on spinning, I can't stop it. I can't even take a bite of my donut.
Totally cute.
Totally cute.
Did I ruin it by opening the door?
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay. So
Oh, get up quick, quick, quick.
I had no idea you were facing this direction. Where are we going?
To the bouncy house.
Let's to the bouncy house we go.
Bouncy house. All right. I'm going to lock up and I'll be right there.
Okay.
Girls were out here riding around, killing time until the Harvest Festival starts at 3 o'clock.
Alrighty.
So Harvest Festival,
yeah,
3 to 6.
3 to 6?
Yeah, 3 to 6, and then trick-or-treating at 6.
Right, so we'll do this from 3 to 4 and then go and get, not 3 to 4, 3 to 5.
Or 3 until whenever.
Well, I still need to do her makeup. She
Yeah.
takes a little longer than the other two to get ready.
Yeah. So this is bounce houses, games, bowling, prizes. So they have a cool thing. They call it, this is the Rockahock Campground, and they call this big structure in the middle of the Rocka Dome. But it's nice. It's nice. Have a nice big dry place to do events like this. We've been here for Celtic festivals. They do Christmas shows every year.
They do an Easter thing.
They
They
do
do a
Easter
vacation
stuff.
Bible school.
They do basically all the big holidays. They do
Watch
stuff.
the puddle.
Yep, lots of water. All right, let's go in. So big dome, big covered dome. They have a stage over here. Very pretty decorations. They do a costume contest. Lots of bouncy stuff over here. And a little bouncy house. And they have crafts and stuff. This will be cool.
You know what? I'm just going to keep your socks so we don't lose them in the bounce house. Because he's going to take them off.
This boy is staunchly anti-sock.
Maybe. Slowly but surely.
Ben needs help.
Ryan,
What?
you put her on top of him.
Well, he didn't move.
Go ahead, Ben. Go with Brooke.
Is he crawling the whole way?
Yes. Brooke is so fast.
Can I bring the GoPro? Can I bring the GoPro with me while I go down? Yeah.
It's on. Just let it keep running. Good job. That's a good one. Give me 5. Give me 5. Whoa, Ben, are you going to climb that?
It's okay, I got you.
Whoa! Alright, we're going to do some fire makeup. Ooh, it's a big flame. I like it.
That looks awesome.
Can
I
you
love
still
it.
do my eye?
Yes.
Yep. So we got a big flame on those cheeks.
Now she'll look fiery. Like that red on your lips.
All right, so there's some
What
kind
do
of
you want?
pumpkin craft going on.
Mommy, I want to go over there.
You want to get your face painted?
Okay. Okay, Daddy, come on. Let's go over there.
Ben, come on. Ben, come on.
Do you want your face painted?
I want it to be as tall as I can.
Ben, that doesn't come off, buddy.
Or you can use marker.
Ben and I are making a Halloween bracelet. He's doing a really good job.
Come here. Come here. Brooke, come
There
here.
you go. All right, do another one.
Brooke, Amelia, come here.
There you go. Good job. You want to put it on your wrist? Look, you made a bracelet. What do you think? You just want to play with a bunch of beads, don't you? You making one, Brookie?
This time on this one, I'm just gonna write.
Tara hasn't seen the cute dog behind her yet. Do you want to watch Tara make a fool out of herself? Yeah? She's going to do a donut race. All right, Tara. So the way this works, they're going to tie the donut onto the string, and you have to eat it without using your hands. Think you could do that? This is going to be the most hilarious thing I've ever recorded. Alrighty, there's your target. You see your target?
Yeah.
A delicious, delicious donut. See this donut? It's taunting you.
Okay, on your mark. Get set. Eat your donut.
Come on, don't laugh, eat it.
It keeps on spinning, I can't stop it. I can't even take a bite of my donut.
All done. Hayride time. Finish that donut, girl.
Where's Austin?
Every time we get home, we have to fight Vector to get in the door. Hi, Vector. Hi, buddy.
Hey, look up.
Vector.
No, look up.
Aaron loves giving directions to young children to do makeup.
We don't know what that means. Okay.
This is what that means.
Put your chin down and look at the ceiling.
Honey, what do you think of that salt lamp back there?
It makes me happy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like it. I like the
Very
color.
nice. And it dims.
Yeah.
So we just got it yesterday, and last night it was a little bright like that overnight. So it has a little dimmer on it, and I would just hold it, and it goes down to like almost nothing. It just looks like embers of a fire. It's really cool. Yeah, put a little bit of blush on, and then we'll be done. Oh, kissy, kissy, kissy.
Oh, kissy, kissy, let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh, those eyes.
Pretty.
Those eyes. Let me see those eyes again.
Hey, pink.
I know. Show Daddy your
Let me
eyes.
see those eyes again. Oh,
Oh, you look so cute.
Vector's so pretty.
Oh, you were waiting so nicely.
Oh.
He's a crazy puppy. Do you need some mascara? Those long eyelashes.
His like 10-inch long eyelashes.
Woo.
He's got big eyebrows.
Okay, scoot over, Vector, because I need Tara right here.
Right there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get a before from Tara.
Well,
So what happened to your flame?
It got messed up.
From the donut eating?
yes.
No.
I think it was
Yes.
bad and being on the
like,
hayride.
Oh, let me see you. Turn around.
Turn around, babe.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Massive
Wow.
pink curls.
Alrighty, close it out.
Mac and
Alrighty,
cheese.
thanks for watching today.
Macaroni.
Mac and cheese and coronis. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh gosh, I'm fine.
Visit us at 5togo.com.
Okay, bye.
Patreon.com/5togo. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.